Okay, let's start. There is a tip in first question. Who tell me what is the tip? I'm reading the question. In first question, there is a tip. With this symbol,
We have not done this chapter.
No. Who is talking? Angela, I think you already we already read this chapter. This question comes from chapter number 18, and there is a tip of this chapter. With this signal, with this spia, basically this is a spia, rosso and raffreddamento. All questions are vero, just one question is falso with radiatore. So there is a tip. I'm sending you this tip inside your group. I think we already finished this chapter. I send you the tip inside the group. With this signal, with this symbol, rosso and raffreddamento, all questions are vero. Just one question is falso with radiatore. Rosso and raffreddamento. So here is a raffreddamento. If you see, here is a raffreddamento. Okay. And I'm reading again, I'm reading the question is saying that simbolo raffigurato è posto sulla spia che integra indicatore della temperatura del liquido di raffreddamento che circola nel motore. He's saying that this symbol indicates that it indicates that the temperature of the liquid that normally is used to make the engine to reduce the temperature of the engine, okay, to make it cool. So normally this PI is switch on when the temperature of the engine become high. Okay, so there is a tip with this symbol. Remember, raffreddamento and rosso tutto vero. One question is falso with radiatore. I'm reading second question. In second question, there is a tip. Who tell me what is the tip?
Sorry, the number one, it means is zero.
Yes, the first question is zero.
Yeah, it's zero. Yeah.
In second question, there is a tip. Who tell me what is the tip? The word is camminare. So you tell me camminare vero o falso?
It's falso.
It's falso in all book. Whenever you see the word camminare in any question, all questions are false. So remember again, this is the final exam that you will give in motorizzazione. Today, one of my students passed his exam. So he did a zero mistake. Okay. So in second question, camminare tutto vero in all book. Sorry, tutto falso in all book. Camminare. Tutto falso. After when I finish this exam, I also share this scheda with you. Okay? So camminare tutto falso in all book. I'm reading question number. What you're saying? Question number 3. Nei veicoli a motore a due ruote, interruttore di emergenza ha la funzione di freno di stazionamento, vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso. We must know that what is the intrusione di emergenza, interruttore di emergenza. What is this? Interruttore di emergenza basically is a switch, is a button. Normally we use it to switch off the engine. I also send you the picture inside your group. This is interruttore di emergenza. So in this question, he is saying that nei veicoli a motore a due ruote, interruttore di emergenza ha la funzione di freno di stazionamento. Falso. Okay? Question number 4. Who tell me what is the meaning of this signal?
It's very close.
The meaning of this is that the road become a narrow from both sides.
Yeah.
And from which chapter this question come? This question come from chapter number 2, Segnali di Pericolo. There is a tip of Segnali di Pericolo. What is the tip? Within chapter number 2, obbligo, obbligatorio, and prescrizione tutto falso. Two questions are vero with obbligatorio, in which the word extraurbane is used. The meaning of this signal is that the road become a narrow from both sides. Segnale raffigurato preannuncia un restringimento sui due lati della carreggiata. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. Very good. Vero. Question number 5. Who tell me what is the meaning of this signal? The meaning of the signal is that normally they install this signal at a place where overtaking is not allowed. Okay, means 4 wheels vehicle cannot overtake another 4 wheels or more than 4 wheels vehicle. 4 wheels vehicle can overtake 2 wheels vehicle, and I sent you 3 points when we read this chapter, this page. 2 wheels vehicle cannot overtake a 4 wheels vehicle. So what he is saying? Segnale raffigurato impone dare la precedenza nei sensi unici alternati. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso. Very good. This question is falso. Question number 6. La striscia bianca continua di mezzo in figura non può essere superata. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. Whenever we see the continue line in the middle of the road, we cannot cross the continue line. Okay? The question is vero. In question number 7, there is a tip. This is tamponare.
Tutto vero.
Tutto vero in all book. Very good. Very good. Tutto vero. Okay. Question number 8. La svolta a destra si effettua imitandosi. Imitandosi means to enter. Nella corsia che consente di eseguire tale manovra.
Vero.
Falso. Vero. In this question, he is saying that whenever you want to take a right turn, so you enter in that lane that allow you to take a right turn. I'm sending you the picture inside the group, and then I again read this question. Whenever you, for example, if there are 3 lanes at the road, so if you want to enter in the right hand side, so you enter in that lane that allow you to, for example, this is a picture. I send you the picture inside the group. For example, there are 3 lanes. So if you want to take a right turn, so you must bring your vehicle in the right lane here in this lane, and then you take a right turn. Understand or no? So again, I'm reading this question. La svolta a destra si effettua a mitandosi. Mitandosi means to enter. Whenever you want to take a right turn, nella corsia che consente means the lane that allow you di eseguire tale manovra, to do this maneuver or this action. So then you enter in that lane that allow you to take a right turn. Vero. Very good. Question number 9. La fermata di un veicolo è evitata se i passeggeri che scendono sono più di uno. Vero o falso? Yes, give me the answer. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso. In this question, he is saying that whenever you want to stop your vehicle, so if the passengers that are inside your vehicle, if the passengers that want to get off, so if the number of the passengers are more than 1, then they cannot, it's not allowed to get off from the vehicle. Falso. Okay. Next question. Li indumenti. Indumenti are the clothes. Okay, you know the motorbike, the driver of the motorbike have its own dress. So he's saying that gli indumenti uso motociclistico omologati sono sottoposti prove di resistenza al. Here is a word abrasione. There is a tip of this word abrasione. Who tell me? Abrasione, tutto vero in all book. Okay, there are two words. One is abrasione and the second one is articulazione. All questions are vero in all book whenever you see this word in any question. Okay, so this question is vero. I'm
You have to write it down, please.
I'm reading question number 11.
No, I say you should write it down because I don't know this.
I sent you many times this tip, abrasione. Yes.
Don't come across it.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Whenever, for example, I'm searching this tip here. Here is abrasione. In your class, I sent you many times this tip. Whenever you want to search any tip, there is a search option. So you click in that option and write the word. So that's word or that tip you can see inside your group. So abrasione tutto vero. Question number 11. In question number 11, there is a tip. Who tell me what is the tip? Bere.
Falso.
Falso. There are three words. Caffè, bar, bere, and tè. Tutto falso in all book. In Patente B. So bere is falso. Okay. Question number 12. Marciapiede consente la sosta dei veicoli solo in presenza di apposite strisce
Falso.
di parcheggio. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Any other student, vero o falso? Marciapiede consente la sosta di veicoli
Zero.
solo in presenza di apposite strisce di parcheggio.
È vero.
Jimmy, my friend, this question is vero. I'm sending you the picture inside your group. Whenever there are parking lines at marciapiede, like this type of blue lines, whenever you see these lines at a marciapiede, means normally whenever someone want to park its vehicle, so half of the vehicle is at the road and half of the vehicle is at marciapiede. So if there are blue lines at marciapiede, then you can park your vehicle. I send you the picture inside the group. So sosta is allow. In this question is saying that marciapiede allow you the parking of the vehicle only if there are the correct lines of the parking at marciapiede, then you can park your vehicle. So vero. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. Segnale raffigurato non consente il transito ai veicoli, vero o falso?
Zero.
Vero. You know, this path is reserved for animals. Okay. So not all type of animals, means normally the domestic animals. So the question is vero. Next question. Gli addetti ai servizi di polizia stradale vengono riconosciuti dalla paletta bianca e rossa, vero o falso?
Zero.
Jimmy, where is Jimmy? This question is also vero.
Yes.
This question is vero. Many times I send you this tip inside your group, salvo diversa segnalazione. So who tell me what is the tip? I tell you all questions are vero, just 5 questions are falso. So who tell me which are these 5 questions? Salvo diversa segnalazione, tutto vero. Just 5 questions are false. So who tell me?
No.
These are the 5 questions. 60 kilometer, 70 kilometer, 80 kilometer, 100 kilometer and Arivanu. I send you this tip inside your group. Salvo diversa segnalazione means without any other signal. All questions are vero. Just 5 questions are false with 60, 70, 80, 100 and Arivanu. Okay. In question number 16, there is a tip, brusque. Vero falso?
Is vero.
Is vero. All questions are vero in all book. When we finish this exam, we count the number of the tips that comes in this exam. I'm reading the next question. Brusque, remember, tutto vero in all book. Question number 17. Per un'autovettura che procede a velocità sostenuta pur rispettando i limiti su strada extraurbana, a 2 sole corsie, ciclomotori a 3 ruote costituisce un potenziale pericolo, soprattutto se effettua manovre improvvise. This is a long question, but vero o falso?
Is vero.
This question is vero. He is saying that per un'autovettura che procede a velocità sostenuta, in this question he is saying that if any car is going with a high speed, but remember the speed is within the limit. Su strada extraurbana means outside the city. Just give me 1 minute. A due corsie means there are 2 lanes outside the city, means someone is going outside the city. A ciclomotore a 3 ruote means the motorini with three wheels, with 3 tires, costituisce un potenziale pericolo. It creates a danger for the other vehicles, soprattutto se effettua manovra improvvise. If someone is doing anything suddenly, then it creates a problems or danger for the other person. So this question is also vero. Okay. I'm reading question number 18. La sospensione del patente. There's a tip of this sospensione del patente. Who tell me? This question come from chapter number 20. This question is vero, but I'm also sending you the tip inside your group.
You have to send it to because sometimes
Okay, I
I
send
get
you the tip
confused.
inside the group.
Okay.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Sospensione del patente. There are a lot of questions with this tip. This is your tip. Sospensione della patente. I send you the tip inside the group. Sospensione del patente, tutto vero. These words or these questions are false with these words: conducente, codice, confronti, senza rispettare, 40 km. One question is false with conducente in which the sospesa is used. So what he's saying basically in this question: sospensione del patente può essere disposta nei confronti chi abbia falsificato, contraffatto documenti relativi a escursione del veicolo. Vero. He is saying that if someone is prepared false documents or illegal documents of insurance, then if the police control him, then the patente of that person is suspended for a certain period of time. Vero. There is a tip with this RCA. RCA with bracket. Remember, only 3 questions are vero. Who tell me? RCA with bracket. 3 questions are vero, ends with Unione Europea, obbligatorio per legge, and incidenti causati. I'm sending you the tip of this.
You send it. You send it.
Many times I send it.
No, I've not seen this.
You never see this tip.
No.
RCA with bracket. Just give me 1 minute. I'm coming. RCA with the bracket. Basically, there are dot inside these. So this is your tip. Just give me 1 minute. I check in your group. I hope I send it. This is your tip, my friend. Why you never see? I search this tip inside you from your group. RCA with bracket. I also share my laptop screen so you can see. I send this tip inside your group. RCA with bracket. Only 3 questions are vero. That ends with unione europea obbligatoria per legge and incidenti causati. Rest of all are falso. So I search this tip from your group. Why you said you never see? This question is falso. Why? Because there is no unione europea, there is no obbligatorio per legge, and there is no incidenti causati. That's why this question is falso. Okay? Question number 20.
Okay.
Who tell me what is the meaning of this signal?
Compressor.
Huh? Jimmy, you tell me.
This one is confluence.
Yes, this is
Accelerazione.
very good. Basically, this is a corsia di accelerazione. Segnale raffigurato comporta presenza del segnale dare precedenza sulle strade di emissione laterale. Vero o falso? Vero. He's saying that whenever we want to enter in a main road, there's the presence of a segnale dare precedenza. Vero. Question number 21. These are delineatore. So who tell me where we find this delineatore? At question number 21. We find it at, remember, we find it at the side of the road when the road is a doppio senso. Saying that delineatori raffigurato sono utili soprattutto nei casi di scarsa visibilità. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. Vero. Very good. Very good. Question number 22. There is a tip in chapter number 12. I think recently we finished this chapter. Pari with più. Pari with più, tutto vero. In chapter number 12, remember, the name of that chapter is Distano di Sicurezza. So in chapter number 12, pari with più, tutto vero, and only pari, tutto falso. Question number 23. Dopo il sorpasso bisogna rientrare immediatamente a destra rallentando. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso. We cannot bring our vehicle in the right hand side immediately. We always see the position of the vehicle that we already overtake, and then we bring our vehicle in the right hand side. First, we always see the position of the vehicle with the help of the side mirror. Okay. Question number 21. Who tell me what is the meaning of this signal? It's very important signal, and this question comes from chapter number 5, segnale dare precedenza. So who tell me what is the meaning? Jimmy, you tell me what is the meaning of this signal?
It means people coming from the right side to wait for the people to.
Basically, they saw this signal at a road when both sides cannot go at the same time. Okay. Maybe due to work in progress. So sometimes okay, just give me 1 minute. I share one picture with you so that you can easily understand. Okay. Sensi unici alternati. Basically, we find this signal. Okay. Did you see the picture or no?
Yeah.
Basically, normally when the people who are doing work at this place, normally they regulate the traffic, or sometimes the police come here sometimes they install the semaphore. We always follow the red arrow. In this question, you see our vehicle is always in the right hand side. So our arrow is red. It means we stop and we give way to those who are coming from the opposite side. Okay. There is a tip with these. There are 3 pages with these signals. 4 pages, sorry. So in these pages, dritto di precedenza and senso unico tutto falso. I'm reading the question. Remember, we give way to those who are coming from the opposite side. Why? Because our arrow is red. So we must wait and we give way to those who are coming from the opposite side. Segnale raffigurato in strada a doppio senso precede una strettoia che permette il transito di una sola fila di veicoli. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. In this question, he is saying that the road is narrow and it allows you to go one lane at the same time. Means both the lane cannot go at the same time. Why? Because the road is narrow. Okay. Question number 25. Who tell me what is the meaning of this signboard? Jimmy.
Is the
Alusan, you tell me. These are the maximum speed.
the maximum speed.
These are
in
the
Italy.
maximum speed that are valid in Italy. Whenever all the people who are coming from other countries in Europe, whenever they see this signboard, it means this is the maximum speeds in Italy. Means inside a city, the maximum speed is 50. Whenever we will go outside the city, the maximum speed is 90. At extra urbana principale, the maximum speed is 110. And at autostrada, the maximum speed is 130 km per hour. So what he's saying in the question. Segnale raffigurato indica in 110 km per hour limiti massimo di velocità su strada extraurbana principale. Vero o falso?
Vero.
Vero. Very, very good. This question is vero. Question number 26. I don't know you remember or no, but many times I explain you this trick how you can solve these questions. So tell me, anyone,
Yes.
tell me how we can solve these questions.
Yes.
Tell me.
We take the bigger number. We take 0 from the 13, so 3 times
Remove
13.
0 from 130. Okay, the
3 times
remaining digit
13.
is 13. Then
3
Multiply by
times
4.
13.
multiply by 3.
3.
13 times 3. What is the answer?
39.
39. What is that next digit is 36. So
36.
39 minus 36. What is the answer? 3. So this
3.
question is vero.
Vero.
Many times I explain you this trick how you can solve these questions. Okay. So this question is vero.
Vero.
Next. Okay. Which vehicle go first? Who tell me?
L will go first.
L go first,
L will go
followed by
first.
E, followed by N, and the last
Yeah.
vehicle who cross the junction is R. Ok? So, nell'incrocio rappresentato nel figura conducente del veicolo I passa prima dell'autocaro N. Ok? Dopo il transito del veicolo L. Vero o falso? He said that I
Falso.
passa prima dell'autocaro.
Falso.
This is autocaro. Dopo il veicolo L, and after the L vehicle is the vehicle who cross the junction. Vero o falso?
Falso.
Falso.
Who tell me? Vero o falso?
Falso. Falso.
Falso.
Yes.
This one. According to me, this question is zero.
Zero, yeah.
No, wait, I'm coming.
Okay. Again tell me.
This vehicle
He
is
passa
passa
prima dell'autocaro. He's saying that he crossed the junction before autocaro.
Yeah.
Dopo il transito veicoli L, and after L. Means first vehicle who cross the junction is L. So he's saying that E cross the junction before N. So Vero,
Okay.
understand or no?
Yes, yes.
Question number 28. There is a tip. Richiede.
Tutto vero.
Tutto vero in all book. Very good. Dopo un incidente stradale è obbligatorio segnalare il veicolo fermo con il segnale mobile del pericolo anche nei centri abitati, vero o falso?
It's fast.
It's falso. Remember, we cannot use the triangle inside the city. Okay? Question number 30. Here is a tip esclusivamente.
Tutto falso.
Tutto falso, but remember, one question is zero with pneumatici. Okay? Yes. Tutto falso in all book. Whenever we see the word esclusivamente, tutto falso. Just one question is zero with pneumatici.
Pneumatici.